Have you ever seen a widget that customizable? So this is the best widget, and in my opinion, so you can see when I click on the widget, I am able to customize it depend on the way that I like. So I can just tap on the widget and then it will bring up the menu. So now let me close this one and let's show the context. So when I tap on it, it allows me to view in different mode. Now we have the widget here, and then if you want to show up the folder, tap on the folder right there. You can see now folder will be much bigger. So I'm gonna show you how to get this widget. First, before we are getting started, you need to make sure you have a widgy installed on your device. And for widgy, it is free. You can download from the App Store, and the link can be found from my video description. And then from here, you need to go ahead and download the widget. Go into Safari, and then we're gonna find this one. It is called iOS mini widgets version 3. And you can see some of the description and some of the feature that it is available right there. And now let's go ahead and install the widget. You can offer him a price, and if you want to donate him, you can go ahead and put some of the money here. So for me, I'm gonna go into 0. If you want to get it free, but like I mentioned, if you want to donate him, you can put like $2 or $3, depend on how much that you want to give it to him. Now I'm gonna click on I want this, then I'm gonna enter my email address. Now click on view contents. Then you have many different widgets that is available for you to download. We have like mini widget iOS 16 part 3, part 2, and part 1. So install the one that you like. I'm gonna go into part 3. I can tap on download, then tap on download here. Now tap on this one, it will bring you into widgy and it will import automatically. Now go back here, you're gonna find the widget, just add it. So you're gonna add it into your home screen. Now let me remove it first. So hold on the app icon, go to edit home screen, click on the plus button, and you're gonna search for widgy. It is very simple. Swipe until you see medium widget, this one. But for some reason, if it does not available for you, you need to make sure that you have already set it in the widget here. Go to manage, then you need to add the widget that you have just import at the moment. And that's it. I hope you like this video.